Okay, not sure if you can see him, but in the middle of that somewhere is a pileated woodpecker picking berries off of the tree. It's kind of neat because he's enormous and the tree's very small. So he's dragging most of the branches down with him every time he moves. You can see the red of his head right there, flash of the wing. There he goes. Darn it, almost need a tripod for this. There he is. Tried circling around him yesterday for a better view, but he figured it out and just took off. That's as close as I can get with the zoom. It isn't half bad. You got some really good views of him, if only I had a tripod with me. Come on.